The staff will come over to your table, sing happy birthday, bring you cake. None of us can sing, and we ain't got no cake. So instead of us giving y'all a gift, y'all are gonna give all of us a gift. That gift is your best.
Back up.
Dance move! Come on, birthday.
Hey, didn't he do it?
Hang out, happy birthday. So at the count of 3, I need everybody in here to scream happy birthday as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, birthday. Where I'm going with this, you don't want them cheers. Y'all too.
Not my beard.
Alright, guys. Here you go. I want you to take your left hand, put it on your right.
Uh-oh, this is gonna be a bad idea.
Put it on your other hip. And side to side like this. Because dance is all in the hips.
Come on, next part.
What's a condo? What's a condo?
Oh, it's condo.
What's a condo?
No, condo.
Hungry.
It's a beach condo.
Condo.
Good job, condo.
Condoy?
No.
Condoy?